Finding the courage to change, discovering a new way of life. Most 12-step meetings end with this phrase, keep coming back, it works if you work it. But work doesn't sound like much fun, does it? I can see how new people would be pretty uninspired by the idea of working the program. I like to think of the 12 steps as a journey of discovery. I'm looking for the buried treasure that lies hidden in my life challenges. Like any treasure hunter, I'm a bit obsessed. I think about finding that treasure all the time. I know that it's there. I know that I can discover it. I know that my life is going to change in a huge way when I find it. Suddenly, I'm hugely motivated. I look forward to meetings. I read the literature every day. I talk to others in the program. I call a trusted program friend when I'm struggling with a new idea. I think about how to apply the new ideas to my own life. Instead of being a victim of circumstances, I'm in charge of the expedition. I feel like Alexander the Great, who read his inspirational literature every night before sleeping. He kept his book under his pillow. He believed that he was the physical son of his God. This belief guided his every waking moment. I, too, am a child of God, and I have been given my own kingdom to rule, myself. I can allow myself to become who I was always meant to be. I can search for my treasure, my true self. I can believe that I can find it, embody it, and be that better person. I can discover a new way of life.